Gijing epi yelling ba Shapertina duadang ka Yang api ripida
See, your mom will give all the time teaching you.
When I play kacing gerdu ya lau kun people san
They go and work hard just for your sake. Yo, what's up everyone? Khasi people, Meghalaya, peace from Africa. So welcome back everyone. So today is gonna be my first time reacting to Big B music, guys. So this music here by the title MEI Big B feat DAPHILAKHAMTI PYNGROPE, guys, official music video, guys. So we are going to check it out. And I asked about this music. They said this music is dedicated to the mother. Like the singer of this song, he sang this song to his mom, guys, appreciating his mom for the sacrifice, for the love of the mother. You know how mom, guys, like there is no one in this world like your mother. Like the mother, they are ready to sacrifice their time, their love. They are ready to sleep hungry, but not their kids, guys. So this guy is rapping for the mom. So let's check it out. It's my first time also reacting to him. So I hope we love it. Yeah, we're gonna see that, guys. So don't forget, subscribe here and let's go. Amos Studio, let's go. Amos, bro. Amos shooting. MEI, what does it mean, guys? I think it's like mom.
Okay.
Yes, this song is to my mom.
Ban kam Korea Pimei, ban kam Korea Kapatei, Pidei kata kabrio, bala ay karpang ublay, pitches niyang Khraw Umdor, people ya kawaday, bangante ya kalaway, daka kamba papise, haba pile ya kaay, piminat halaka kama, kaba pile papitway, nadu bangadang vet, chinye junga piket, Gijing duna jonga ban penbiang ban penbet tang bau kulen biang ledip jupang wa pikloi banen la de gijing epi yelling ba shapertina duadang ka yang api ripida.
See, your mom will give all the time teaching you.
When I play kacing gerdu ya lau kun people san
They go and work hard just for your sake.
Pidei ngariu kentei pilawan shashitam pidan mensiption rang gijing ya barok pitam.
Yappy MEI. That's your mom, nothing like your mom. Tell them. See how your mom will take care of you.
Dalele yappy MEI nganom lakin bangan glad. Jing pen iba bajong pi dalele ngam laban bret haba jing pen ngalasa kma me pim chui no yanga people ngan people ngen ya kamen sim ka jonga habang adu jing kamen
ka jonga that kame I love this part. This is my favorite part.
Ngalapen susi ya pi people ke yanga.
Your mom is your mensin jonga
ya pingal paja umma
ka jonga kamen sim ka jonga
ngau kun tap sneng me ya pingal le chanda mapi ke jing bakla jonga kibang la pen susi ya pi adu kan ngalong take a ching fresh tam jong pi ngam la ban siu keliang ya ki jing le pa jong pi henry tang jing songu bat ka jing ku play ya pi ngayu i ya kalpi ka ba bha pi chupen i kam sem ka bakin cha pi pen dap ha ba thli.
She also sounds so good, man. Yappy MEI. Damn, bro, you're so good, man. Yappy MEI, Metsim, Jonga, Jompi. Nice song, bro. That's real shit, man. That's real. Okay, amazing, guys, amazing. You know, now I'm getting to discover some big or good rappers out of Meghalaya, guys, because usually I don't find out the rappers. They used to say Meghalayan, most of them they don't sing rap song, but this guy, guys, like I love his song. I love this song, guys. It's also so good in rapping. I can see that, like, the beat. First of all, the beat is so good, guys. The beat and the flow is just matching, like so hit, bro. I'm telling you, like your song the rapping is just matching so good. I love it, and I just love the truth that is singing based on the reality that you all know that there is nothing like your mom. Your mom is the one to offer all their time, guys. There is nothing. So if you have problem with your mom, please go and apologize, guys. This guy is telling the truth, and I love. I thank you so much. Thank you so much, bro. Just keep rapping, and you are doing good thing. I can see. How do you think, guys, about this guy? Also, like the Big B music, guys. His song is amazing, especially this rap song. Like this is hit. This is really hit, bro. And the girl also singing with him. She sounds so good. In general, the song is so good, and the story, the director also made it so well. There is nothing like May. May is your Mensim Jonga. Your mom is Mensim Jonga, guys. Always support your mom because she's the only one that is not going to abandon you. Yappy May, Yappy May. Lead song, bro. I love that thing. Thank you so much. Till next time. Don't forget also subscribe, guys. Support him. Support the Big B music. He deserves it, guys. See, he's talented. That is a pure talent, guys. Support him, and if you didn't join my family, subscribe also to my channel because soon I'm coming to Meghalaya. See you soon.